Good evening. Thank you for the pledge. Your minutes from the last meeting reflect that under general comment, I spoke about Bruder's contract. Such inaccuracies in a public record must not be tolerated, especially when those very records become legal documents in lawsuits. Considering I did not mention one word about Bruder's contract during the general comment section, this is not just a simple mistake. When public records are altered to reflect something that didn't happen, that constitutes a violation of the Public Records Act. Section 11, any person who knowingly and without lawful authority alters, destroys, defaces, removes, or conceals any public record commits a Class 4 felony. I am informing you of the inaccuracy and asking that you correct it. In relation to concealment of public records, I will be filing a criminal complaint with the state's attorney as I have proof public records were concealed, and I have also initiated yet another FOIA lawsuit for this concealment. I ask for all expense reimbursements for employment to 2012 in one FOIA. I received a few records. Another FOIA, I asked for copies of all legal bills that COD paid for Dr. Bruder's private attorney since being hired, and copies of all payments made for Bruder's private attorney since being hired. You claim there are no responsive documents to that request. If there are no records, can anyone explain these two documents that are now in my possession? Documents from this college. One is titled Summary of Dr. Bruder's Expense Reimbursement. That's this one. I never got that document in my request. It reflects a payment of $1,173 for other contractual services. What other contractual services does Dr. Bruder have with COD? The fact is, it had nothing to do with contractual services. This expense reimbursement was for Bruder's legal bill from Seaforth Shaw Law Firm. This is a copy of the bill. Anyone care to tell me why that record was concealed in my request for expense reimbursements and payments for legal bills for Dr. Bruder? It's clear this college paid Bruder an expense reimbursement for a legal bill in his name based on a copy of the invoice, and this expense and legal bill was concealed from two separate FOIAs. I'll see you in court on that. I don't know how much involvement this board has with the interaction of my FOIA requests, but I'm here to tell you, your FOIA officer's playing checkers, and I play chess. Thank you.
Next, Matt.